Hi guys, welcome back to this video tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be treating on how to get your IP address using Python. Now we're going to get this in 4 lines of code. It's very easy. Now let's get started. For us to do this, we just need one library. That library is built in with Python, so we don't need to install it. The library is called socket. So let's just type import socket, and then let's specify the host name equals to socket dot get host name. And then let's specify the IP into a variable. Say socket dot get host by name, and then let's give it the host name. Now let's just print out our IP address. It's as easy as this. And when we print this out, boom, see our IP address right here. It's as easy as that. Getting your IP address with Python is very easy, and mostly other programming language too. But for security purpose, I'm going to cover that up so you guys don't, let's say, track me or something like that. So I hope you guys learned something in this video. If you did, please don't forget to smash the like button and please subscribe. Please turn on the bell notification button so you get notified when I drop new bangers, new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.